Hello everyone. In this video, we will explore more about creating documents through Mongoose. So this is the way that we created a document earlier. So let's try and see another method. So I can comment this out and then let me put this. So you can see I can use directly this dot user model dot create this method. This is just like a short form for this. So if you are just creating a single document, then you have to use this. But if you are or if you want to create more than one documents, then you should use this. This is one of the very basic difference. Let me just show it to you. As you can see, currently I don't have any users created here. So if I go to Postman, here I have prepared an array of objects. Each contains email and password, and the URL is /user and the type is post. So if I hit send down, you will see that I got an error. Yeah, because I did not save it. My bad. So let it refresh. Until then you realize that previous code was this. So you cannot save array of objects with dot save method. You would have to iterate yourself manually, but this does the job by default. So go to Postman now and hit send. As you can see, the two documents are created. If I go to the Postman now and hit find, you will see that two documents are created. So this is one of the main difference there is. Other than that, if you want to do some sort of operation, for example, you can do something like do something with created user. Maybe you have some function like this, over here. You can use so this is one of the way that you can utilize this type of method, which is you are planning to save one document and you want to make some changes before you actually save this. So these are the differences that you should remember if you plan to do that. So that let me remove that all of this that we had. Okay, so this is pretty much good. So as you can see, I sent array of objects and it worked, but technically it should not work, right? Because we have not put any sort of validation. So in next step, we will put some sort of validation in our create user radio. One more thing I would like to show you is if I send a bogus key, it will give me this error. So Nestjs by default has an exception filter. If an error is occurred in your code and you have not handled it yourself, then Nestjs will send you this graceful response. So if you come here, you can see that exception has been raised by Mongoose basically, because Mongoose and the model was not expecting this particular key. So before, so we wouldn't want Mongoose to handle that. We would want that we should have a proper validation in our code. So that's what we would be doing next. So thank you for watching this.